Welcome back to my channel, Coding with Veer. Today will be the first episode of my Python tutorial series of me teaching you how to become a professional at Python. So today we're gonna be learning the basics of Python and mainly we're gonna focus on the print function. But before we get started, make sure you have VS Code, Visual Studio Code, which is my favorite place to code any language on. And the link in the link in the description, I'll link how to download Visual Studio Code on your computer. Okay, so let's jump right in. Okay, so here are three reasons why you must learn Python. Number one, it is easy to learn and a readable code. Python is known for its simplicity. Its syntax is easy to read and understand, making it an excellent choice for beginners and in general your first language to learn. The language emphasizes clean and readable code, allowing you to focus on problem solving rather than complex syntax. This readability also makes collaboration with other developers much more straightforward. Reason 2. Versatility and wide application. Python is an incredibly versatile language with a wide range of applications. Whether you're interested in web development, data analysis, machine learning, or even automation, Python has you covered. Its extensive library ecosystem provides ready-to-use tools and frameworks, saving you time and effort in development. And reason 3. Growing demand and career opportunities. Python's popularity has become steadily rising and it has become a favorite among both established companies and startups. Learning Python can open doors to a variety of exciting career opportunities from software development to data science. Having Python skills can greatly enhance your marketability in the tech industry. So now that we've covered why Python is worth learning, let's focus on one of the fundamental functions in Python, print. The print function allows you to display information on the screen. It's a simple yet powerful way to communicate with the user and test your code. Okay, so if you downloaded Visual Studio Code, you might realize your font is way smaller than mine. So let me show you how to make your font bigger. So if you go here, 3 lines, you hover over File, then hover over Preferences, then click on Settings. Here probably showed you 14, but I like to use 25, so you can just the backspace 14, hit 25, then enter. Then you can go back to your file and just X that out. Okay, so to use the print function, you need to provide it with the information you want to display. So first you're going to do you're just gonna write print, and then right next to it you're gonna add a set of parentheses. And then for your message to be displayed in the terminal, you're gonna have to add either double quotients or single. I'm just gonna use doubles, but it really does not matter. And I'll just print I love Python. Okay, so now we can run it, and then boom, right here, what do you know, it print. And congratulations, you just printed your first code in Python. And here's another trick. After you run, you want to clear everything. Hit enter and everything will clear. Okay. Because it and you can also add like stuff. You could add an exclamation mark and you run it, it'll show the exclamation mark. Okay. And also right below, like after you say this, you could add another thing like print Do you want to learn with Veer for his awesome upcoming Python tutorials? And we run it, and boom. So it really, inside the parentheses, and inside the quotations, you could honestly type whatever you want. There's no like limit of how many words it has to be. You can add exclamation mark, question marks, period, whatever you want to, as long as it has this parentheses and this quotation mark, it'll work. Okay, so in today's video, we've covered the basics of Python for beginners, including how to use this print function, and and just stay subscribed with the notifications on for if you want to keep learning Python with me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this video or any of my other videos, you can put the comment in the comment section below. And thank you, and keep having a good time coding.